Alright, so my name is Jade Bartlett. I went more on the mechanical side and decided to build an engine. It basically pumps air through this cylinder. There's a crankshaft here that operates the flywheel that's connected to the piston rod, which cranks the piston. The piston shoots air through these valves and out the back. It was basically like the one project in this design building where I was able to go more engineering than designing, so I don't know. I had a lot of fun making it. No. It's all hand cut, nothing laser engraved or cut.
Yeah.
Except I did not machine the screws myself, so.
Not only that, but he whittled the whole thing out with a pocket knife. Like a real designer. Damn it. This laser cutter crap. That's for weenies. Run it again.
And if you look on this side, you can see the valve that's. If I put the back plate back on here, it'll actually pump air through this side.
Wow.
Put the back plate on.
No, I don't. No, don't. No, it's fine. It's not worth it.
It's cool.
Okay, from this side, crank it a bit for me. Well, that actually works. It's more complicated than my T-Rex, and it works better.
It didn't. You should have seen it when I first assembled it. I was with them. I almost lost it.
No.
I almost switched to PA.
So okay. I have the papers. I'll sign them. So what made it work? Actually, it works pretty smooth. Wow.
A lot of sanding. The only thing that's I really have trouble with is the piston. It binds on the walls. That's about it. Everything else works pretty well, except the crankshaft was really difficult to make out of wood, because when I put everything together, it wasn't it wasn't completely aligned correctly, and the wheel. When I put the wheel on, it was a little off-centered.
Yes. Have we learned something about alignment?
Yeah.
And precision?
Yes.
Yes. And no, but those guys too. Because really, the problems that we had usually came down to that. And yeah, this is why, you know, the machinists get the big bucks, because they can do that. They can make things, you know, with tolerances down to the thousandths of an inch. It's impressive. Aren't you more impressed now with what they do?
Yeah, but I have a roommate that's a mechanical engineer, so. Yeah, so he did my project. No, but I've seen stuff that he does, and I can't even wrap my head around it.
Well, I think it's cool. It's a fun thing.
Now I just need to make it actually power something.
Why did you put the three? I think is that decoration?
It's to it was supposed to be to off-center the weight for the control rod. Not the control rod, but
Oh.
this.
I don't think
I know.
it's that precise. But it looks cool.
It does look cool.
Yeah.
It adds effect to it.
Now, if you would consult with Maxine back there and paint it some wild, zany colors, I think it'd be awesome.
You also gotta put an eagle on the side.
And you gotta put an eagle on the side.
Paint it green.
And make it sure at least most of it's green, yes.
Should I put some LEDs in it too?
LEDs don't really impress me.
Okay.
Oh.
Personally, I think adding LEDs is just a gimmick. It's kind of show. It's kind of showy, you know. I'm showing off. You know.
Well, you can do it if you have like 10 mechanisms already.
Well, yeah, and that absolutely. And it's, then you ask, why did you have to crap it up with LEDs when you already had 10 mechanisms? But you know.
It's in the form of tension.
That's cool. I like it. I think it's
I'm so glad they put LEDs in mine.
by all means, if any of you are so angry at any of these items that you wish now to go down to the pier and throw them off the end, give them to me instead.